Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in the essentials. Pick a poster size like 36 x 48 inches or a zero so layout decisions follow a fixed grid. Once done, gather your abstract, high-resolution images at 300 dpi and any institutional logos. Make sure to choose one clear primary message and no more than 3 supporting sections to keep focus. You will set margins, column widths, and a readable base font now, because these first choices determine visual hierarchy and make later design faster and consistent. Now you craft the body of the poster. Establish a grid, 3 columns, or a 16:9 flow, so content reads naturally. As you place headings and paragraphs, use 24 to 36 point for headings and 18 to 24 point for body text so viewers can read at a distance. Once text is in, insert figures with clear captions and maintain at least 0.5-inch white space around each element. Also apply a 2-3 color palette for contrast, and make sure charts prioritize clarity over decoration. Finish by exporting a PDF with fonts embedded and images at 300 dpi, because print shops require print-ready files. Before sending to print, do a proof, either a small-scale print or a plotter test to confirm colors, margins, and legibility. Once satisfied, order printing and prepare a single-page handout or QR code linking to your full paper. If colors or fonts shift in print, request a soft proof from the printer and swap CMYK-safe colors. This quick check fixes most last-minute issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.